Let's see. Let's get this money. Submit it, and then great work, trader. Your payout request has been submitted. If you weren't longs already, then you should already be out. Like, you should already got more than enough from these moves. I got about a 30-point stop loss. I usually use 50, but in this case, 50 looks just a little wide. It's like a domino effect. Once the one domino falls, it all continues to fall afterwards. You got to prevent that first domino from falling, but the only way you prevent that first domino from falling is knowing yourself, getting experience, having a journal. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We back. We about to get this live. It's 9:26. We have about 4 minutes till 9:30. 9:30 is the time we trade. 9:30 is the time that the VIP Trader Network gets started. Usually it's at 9 o'clock, but this week Kino's not trading too much, so 9:30 to 11 o'clock is the time we're going to be doing. We got 23 people already live. You probably can't see. You probably see it a little bit in that corner. But we about to see what we can do. I'm not going to be trading the funded today because we won the last 2 days, but I will be trading the 100K challenge. Ideally, I'm just going to try to go for 2,000, try to get it to that 3,000 something in profit. So I'll get about halfway there, and then we'll trade the funded again tomorrow. But we about to get on there, see what we can do. Ideally, I'm just trying to get a good trade. Not trying to take multiple, trying to be in and out. Don't want to be sitting there if I don't have to. So let's just hop in the charts. I'm more bearish, but the way this 9:30 opened, I'm just gonna give it some time. Give it maybe 5 minutes. But we got the shorts. Where's the short position? I got about a 30-point stop loss. I usually use 50, but in this case, 50 looks just a little wide. Got to make sense of the range at the end of the day. And I just want to target this low down here. If we can target that low, that's all I'm looking for. This low right down here. But we shall see. We shall see. 1 to 2.3 is more than enough. I just want a good 1 to 2, and then I can get up out of here. Yeah, it really stopped me out though. Like, damn, at least give me this re-entry up here. I'll take it again. You know how I get. But this reattempt so far is giving a little reaction, but we'll see. Might even take till 10 o'clock. Never know. Did it to me twice though, like damn. Stopped me at both wicks just to fall. Oh, that's tough, kind of iffy. If you weren't longs already, then you should already be out. Like, you should already got more than enough from these moves. I was in shorts, so I got cooked. But you win some, you lose some. All right, I ain't gonna lie. We took the L on the challenge, 100K challenge. We didn't trade the funded account, as I told you guys, and I'm kind of glad I didn't. Because look what would have happened. I would have took an L on the account, unfortunately. We did call out a good trade. We called out the longs on US 30. We called out the US 30 longs from the 1 hour gap that ran the high. If you would have been risking 20 points, you would have been able to get about 1 to 2 once it ran that high, and it's probably pushing a little bit higher now. But overall, I didn't take that though, so I didn't capitalize on it. But at the end of the day, losses are gonna happen. I've been winning the last couple of days, so I can't even be mad at it. I just gotta be able to manage the risk, understand how much I was risking, understand how much I was losing, understand how much I did lose, reevaluate, understand what I could have did better, and move on to the next one. It's always another day. It's always another opportunity. It's always another trade to catch. They're always going to be there. It's just about understanding the losses. Understanding it's just part of the game. Now let's go get the rest of this day on. All right, now, gang, we in the car, and once we're in the car, you know, we're more than likely gonna have a car talk. And this video in general is not gonna be a long video because my girl is off from work today, and more than likely, I just want to spend the day with her. She's been working, I've been working. I just want to spend the day working with her. I just want to spend the day chilling with her after I get this video uploaded and everything. So what this video is about is how to handle losses, how to become a better loser, because at the end of the day, anybody can make money. Anybody can catch a trade. Anybody can win a trade, but who's going to be able to do it consistently? That's what we want. We want consistent profitability. And in order to do that in trading, you have to be a good loser. And what do I mean by being a good loser? You would think you got to win a lot to be able to make money. No, you don't have to win a whole lot to make money. You just have to win. You just have to make more money when you win than the amount of money you lose when you lose. And the only way you're going to be able to do that is by understanding losses, understanding how to handle losses, understand the process of losses, because losses happen in any business. Losses happen if you're a YouTuber, if you're a trader, if you're a drop shipper, if you just work a regular job, losses happen. The people that can handle the loss, the people that don't fold under pressure, the people that can keep themselves managed to follow the plan are going to be the people that are successful. And the only way you're going to be able to do that is by having a system behind it. Because at the end of the day, if you don't have a system that's going to keep you from self-sabotaging yourself, you're going to self-sabotage yourself. It's just what it is. I do it, you do it, other people do it. We got to learn how to prevent ourselves from doing things that aren't going to be beneficial to us. It happens.
We fuck ourselves up so often. Self-sabotage is real, and especially in the industry where in trading, because we are our own boss. Everything is up to us. So all our results are on us. All of our failures are on us. All of our mistakes are on us. We have to have that 1000% accountability, because at the end of the day, everything we do, all the results we get, good or bad, are on us. So what do I recommend you guys doing? Because I can say all this, but what do I recommend you doing? In order for you to be okay with handling losses, you gotta occupy your time. You gotta have so many things to do throughout your day that once you're done trading, you're on to the next. Once you're done trading, you're not even thinking about the charts no more. You're not even thinking about the trade, because you already know you have other things you have to do. You have other responsibilities. You have things that need your attention. So you physically can't put that time into trading. But when you have all the time in the world, you have nothing to do. You don't have no responsibilities. What's going to happen? You're going to get bored. You're going to look at the charts. You're going to try to take a trade. And then everything leads. It's like a domino effect. Once the one domino falls, it all continues to fall afterwards. You got to prevent that first domino from falling. But the only way you prevent that first domino from falling is knowing yourself, getting the experience, having a journal. You got to know yourself, because you are your business. Trading itself, the charts isn't your business. You are your business. Your risk management is going to be what makes you money. Your system is going to be what makes you money. You pressing buy or sell is going to be what makes you money. You got to focus on yourself, your mindset, understanding yourself to be able to improve. Because at the end of the day, I don't like taking losses. I took losses today. I may have won the last 2 days, but I took losses today, and I took 2 of them in a row. It doesn't feel good, regardless if it wasn't on my funded account or not. It doesn't feel good. Losses don't feel good. They don't make me feel any better than they don't make me feel any better. Just because I've been trading a long time, I know I can catch trades, doesn't mean a loss makes me feel any less hurt than you. I just know how to handle myself better in those situations. We both may feel the same exact way. I'm just not going to allow myself to go on tilt. I'm not going to allow myself to do things that are going to ruin all the process and all the progress I have been making in trading. I don't want to do that. I don't see the value in ruining everything I've been working for just for one trade, just for a little bit of money. Chasing money is the reason for all of the failures. And I got to take my own advice sometimes. There's going to be times where I do dumb shit. There's going to be times where I don't necessarily follow my rules 100%, but I'm human. I'm looking to learn from my mistakes. I'm looking to learn from everything that I do. And losses is going to be the #1 teacher, because losses are going to teach you what you are doing wrong. You're not going to learn as much from catching W's, because when you win, you don't necessarily, if you know the reason that you won was because of that. But when you lose, you know for a fact you did something wrong. So you know for a fact that there's something to learn from. And if you know for a fact that there's something to learn from, there is something that's going to allow you to be 1% better, as long as you figure out how to solve that problem. But figure out things to do out the day. What would you do? Create another business. In my situation, I have 2 other businesses besides trading itself, but they are surrounded around trading. Content creation, which is me monetizing my life, which is what I'm doing right now, giving value. That could be another business. 2, I have a VIP trading network where I build a community of traders. I teach them how to trade. I show them what to do live. I show them how I trade live, and I basically curated a big community of like-minded individuals for both advanced, intermediate, and beginner traders that are all here to help each other, all here to grow. I've been able to create that into a business. That's 2 different businesses that occupy my time, occupy money, occupy basically my attention, so that once I'm done trading, I have other things to worry about. On the weekend, I'm not worried about coming back to the charts on Monday, because I know I have to give value to the VIP trading network so that they can get ready for the week. All these different things keep my mind occupied. They don't allow me to have the freedom to do the dumb shit. A lot of the time, you guys have too much freedom, too much flexibility with your trading, to where doing dumb shit is too accessible. It's too easy for you to do dumb shit. Go to the gym, start a new business, occupy your time, stay busy. Also, one thing I'm going to do to kind of show you guys this is something that is real. You can make money trading. I'm going to give myself a payout today. Just because I lost on the challenge, I'm going to pay myself out to help with that emotion that even though I lost on the trades that was fake money, it's a challenge. At the end of the day, the worst that can happen for me blowing that challenge is losing $100. In reality, it's not a lot. So what I'm going to do is, from my Topstep funded account, I'm just going to withdraw about $200. Nothing crazy. I don't want to put my account in too much drawdown. I just want to take a little bit of money just so I can actually pay myself. It's only Wednesday. If I pay myself $200, plus I'm getting paid another $500, $600 from my other businesses this week, that's almost $800. And that's not even all the money I made. That's just a very, very small portion. But I'm just trying to get that 30 days on a funded account. So I'm trying to keep that buffer. But we're about to go straight into it. This will be the first payout that I've taken from Topstep. So I went to like this payout request screen from like the Topstep website and everything. And it looks like it's just showing me the options. Just showing me the options is online transfer, bank transfer. I'm going to be doing a bank transfer. And then let's see, it looks like we just put a request form and everything, the account we could do it from. Let me put all this in. And I'm gonna do a payout request for $238, and you can see everything in here. All lines up, all lines up. And that doesn't exceed more than 50% of my current account balance. And let's see, let's get this money, submit it. And then great work, trader, your payout request has been submitted. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And now we just wait. It'll probably take like 2 days, but I'll wait for the email. Let's see if it sends it though. As you can see, we got the payout for $237. That's the request and everything. And yes, it's not a fake email, it's from Topstep itself. No cap. You guys seen the trades that we take though, so there's no point in capping. But yeah, honestly, feels good. Feels good to be able to get paid from doing something I've been doing for years. Even though I've got payouts before, this is the first payout from actual futures funding. First time I've been doing futures is 2024, and so far it's going amazing. We've got 2 funded accounts. I'm trying to get these other accounts, but we're just working. As long as I can keep this one account, as long as I can keep working to keep funding these other challenges, to keep funding my life, to keep funding my businesses, to keep on working, the sky's the limit. I don't care how much money I make, I'm not stopping until, I'm just not stopping. I have no limitations in my mind right now. The sky's the limit. Even though I may have taken losses today, that payout, that's cool. Like that gave me my boost of confidence back. That gave me that sense of, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. That's what you got to understand when losing. You got to understand it's not the end of the world. You're going to win other trades. You're going to lose more trades. Don't dwell on that one trade. There's no point of it. All it's going to do is negatively give you the emotions, do negative things for you. It's not going to be beneficial. But with that being said, this is the end of today's video. I wouldn't even say this is really a vlog. I guess you could call it a vlog, but it's going to be a short video. I want to enjoy my time. I want to enjoy my day. Tomorrow, it's going to be back to work. I might just get a haircut tomorrow too, so we're going to have to get productive, get busy. But ideally, I'm trying to make some money on the funded account tomorrow. So let's see if we can do that. But with that being said, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how I personally make money trading, how I trade my system from 0 to 100, if you want to understand more of the markets, futures, Forex, how the market works, check out the course. It has everything you need for completely free. And then once you're ready to actually join a community of like-minded traders to where you can take my trades live, take other people's trades, learn from the community, learn from beginning, advanced, intermediate traders. So make sure you join the V Up Trading Network. You can join and try the first month for 50% off. Just use the link in the code in the description. And with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Let's get paid. We got a little payout even after a losing day. That's how you turn an L day to a W day. A little advice, but stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in the next video.